What's up, my people? How we doing today? Another brand new day. Did you agree with me that some lotions that are very okay, you know very well, they are not common for market? Why? I bring to you this original diamond blue. Look at original diamond blue. Look at original diamond blue. This lotion. I remember the place order, I looked for it even when I went to the larger market so far. I look for it, I don't see them. Are you getting it? Not until I have to contact the company direct because I don't want to get a fake one for my client. Are you getting it? For somebody to be in overseas, trusting you, that get this for me, get that for me, and yet you could not. It's a big slap on your face. So I went and I got this original one as it is from the company, original, undiluted. And guess what? This is a lotion that I know vividly. Let me tell you things that have been made of. We have glutathione here, plus kojic. Are you getting it? Plus arbutin. We have collagen, and then we have what's it done? We have bleaching intense. Okay, so in other words, it's a highly whitening, nourishing cream. Are you getting it? Yes, because I think the last time I got this lotion was about 8 months back, when I did a video about it. I get in the 8 months back. Ever since then, this lotion has been a priority that is very, very high side of the market and scarce. So this now the lotion when I go advise you. For those of you asking me which lotion do you think, do you suggest, do you approve for me to use? Now it be this, so this now the lotion when you go use it, just be like my personal lotion. When it be like, I customize. Now so this lotion be no blemishes. There are many lotions that doesn't give side effects, blemish skin. There are no skin discoloration, no irritation. All the shun. They know they. Are you getting it? There are many lotions. It's just that when you get one, please stick to it. That is the advice I will always give to you. Don't say because your friend is using one, automatically you have to switch, because your friend is using one and that one, it make and give her one higher shade than your own. You're already on 5 shade. That person gonna get 6 shade. You say because 6 shade, you won't go down one. Okay. 6 shade because maybe they just say it's all skin type, you just go rush enter that. Now so you go get lakba, eczema, you get a white patches, you go get all the, just name them, all the side effects like you not expect in anytime soon to come on your body, like they go through your body. But because say you go change lotion, why not maintain the one where you dey use? Now, Osti Global have told you that this lotion is good for promising us that we promise. Go for this. It's good for promising. If you don't get that, ask me. Are you getting it? I know say they common to get, but if you don't get that, ask me. No lotion. I repeat, no lotion. When you say you need where I no get it, if I don't get that, the market. You understand? That is just the gospel truth. Now, I get another one I want to show you. This is Zina Tabiana, they call her. This is another whitening lotion also that I will always encourage you to use. You understand? This lotion gets the ability to tone you, to give you the color you need without any, color discoloration, or without any, how will I put it, inflammatories or any of those irritation for your skin. Are you getting it? Even though don't use this lotion before, I don't use them till work, produce and all that. So it's a nice lotion. If I really want to go into there's not much time right now because I want to make the video short. I just only tell you that the lotion is good for promising and it's good for individual, like those of us when they don't want use they don't want binding lotion to promise. You can use this. Are you getting it? It's very okay. Now I will show you another better one, active lightening cream. For us, what we feel like, make we not use any yama lotion or face cream. I don't show you. So put your no con chat later say you say waiting, because that is what some of you do, and I like it's very abnormal. Like waiting I talk here now, you go do like say you know here because you were busy doing something else. So concentrate now, I beg. This lotion, make I tell you about her. This lotion, let me say, just get the whitening agent in her to make your face. No, this lotion is like a treatment lotion also. Are you getting it? It's a treatment lotion. So if you want promise face cream at all, active face cream, maybe like say say yes, you can use and beat your chest. I say me you use this cream. Use this cream. Use this cream. It's active lightning, and I swear. Use this cream. It as it take days, so because I've used it before last 2 weeks to promise for somebody also, and they are very effective, and to see them is another thing again. To see them another thing again. So please, I will advise you always place your order at the right place. Wherever you are, place your order at the right place. Okay, so bye bye.